Alright, we're rolling, Mez. We're back again.
Alright.
This time we're doing bloxfruits, devil fruits, alright?
Yes.
And game passes. And other things.
Game passes, alright.
Okay.
Fine.
2 times boss drops.
That is very OP.
A, yeah. Okay. 2 times mastery, S+.
S plus.
It's gotta go in S+. 2 times money, also going in S+.
Yes, S plus.
Barrier fruit. Barrier fruit.
Barrier fruit?
I would
like barrier fruit. I give it an A plus.
I would no, it's only A. I would give it a B. I would give it a B.
I like it. I will give it an A because I found out a very OP combo.
What the heck are these purple shards? Okay. Money.
Money? What do you mean money?
You buy the money that you can buy from the shop.
I guess S or A.
S++.
Just because it's money.
It's money. What do you expect?
Alright, fruit notifier, I'm going to give it an S.
Okay, we haven't even moved on to those game passes yet. Okay, bomb fruit. It got revamped, so it's
revamped, and it's actually pretty good, so
it's going in S tier. It's S tier. It's S tier for me. Human Buddha S++. No, like no cap on a stack. All right, change race. The race reroll.
Bro.
The race reroll is going.
That's S+.
No, actually, no. It's going in. It's gonna go in B tier. But hear me out. See, the thing is, there's two other races that you can't unlock from the race reroll, and you can't just unlock like. You can't unlock like a V3 from the race reroll, and V3s are really good. So like, it's not the best.
You're right. Valid.
You would have to physically grind for like a V3 or V2.
Valid.
Chop fruit, C tier.
Chop fruit. I like it. I'll give it an A.
Control fruit, definitely going in S tier. Dark blade, S++. I have it and it's amazing.
Bro can't even combo me with Dark Blade.
I know. Okay, dark fruit, S+. Black hole ability is amazing. Diamond fruit, I haven't used it in like a while.
The lowest grade.
F.
Fruit is garbage.
F. Now we have door fruit here, but this is, but it's not. Well, it's not door anymore. Present day, it's portal. So yeah, S+. Dough fruit, S++.
Yeah.
Dragon fruit, S+.
Dragon fruit, no, A+.
There's just an A. It goes from F, D, C, B, A, S+, S++, S++.
Okay.
Okay, bird falcon,
Are they
dead garbage. Trash birdie, dead garbage.
Trash birdie? Oh yeah, dead garbage.
Fast boats / enforcer and speedboat. S++, C Bugatti.
Oh yeah. C Bugatti, yeah.
Flame fruit is really good for low geo grinding. I would give it an A. To be honest, to be totally honest.
Didn't it get like a buff?
Okay, I'm trying to figure out what the frick are these shards. Oh yeah, the shards, the fragments, the fragments.
Give them an A.
All of them, they go in S tier because they can help with awakening your fruits. I just remembered what they did. But they're for second seed though.
Yeah, you're right.
But we're near second seed, so I mean.
Yeah.
Fruit notifier. S+. S++.
S+ because it's
only S because like it gives you free fruits, but like it's so much money. It's and it's so much money.
Plus
+1 fruit storage.
+1 fruit storage, at least a B or.
This seems about useless. I'm putting this in C tier.
Yeah. The reason why fruit notifier should be an S is because it
Alright,
costs a lot. You get random fruits.
Which
from
one is
it.
this fruit again? Frick, I forgot which fruit this was.
What does it look like?
It's an asteroid one. The asteroid fruit. Frick.
Do you mean soul?
No, not soul.
Asteroid?
Hang on, I gotta go in the game.
Show me.
Hang on.
No, show me.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna go in the game.
Rumble or Quake?
It's not either of those fruits.
Bro, show me. Just show me.
I'm gonna just go check.
Bro, just show me.
Nah, bro, just let me check, dude. Just let me check.
You know what? I'm gonna just be in the game, getting ready for your ask you. I'm gonna be in the game.
Gravity. I'm an
Gravity?
idiot. Okay.
Oh my god.
Gravity
We're so
fruit,
dumb.
S tier. Ice
Gravity?
fruit, S++.
Yes, I love ice fruit. I'm using it right now.
Kilo fruit, B tier.
What fruit?
Kilo.
Didn't Kilo get a buff or something?
I don't know. Leopard fruit, S+.
Leopard? S. No, put it in an S. Actually, S+. I got one-shotted by it.
True. Light fruit, great for grinding, S++. Love fruit, I've never used this fruit.
You're telling me light is better than the ice?
They're literally both in the same tier.
Oh, okay, never mind.
It's stupid. Magma fruit.
Any Lodia is just S++.
Magma fruit. It's great for grinding, just like ice fruit. I mean, all three of those fruits are great for grinding. Love fruit. I've never used this fruit before.
Love fruit seems pretty good, so A+. I almost said A+.
I feel I'm gonna give it a B.
It's a love fruit.
Oh, the fruit was the freaking fruit was invisible. Paw fruit. Paw is actually good for transportation, so I mean it's decent for transportation, but like I'll give it an A. Now Bird Falcon, this got revamped. Bird Falcon got revamped. This
Bird Falcon or Bird Phoenix?
Oh, Phoenix, not Falcon. I'm an idiot. Okay, Phoenix.
Bro, Bird Phoenix has always been good.
I know. S+, top of S+, actually.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Quake fruit.
Quake fruit, I have it right now.
S.
I haven't made it, but it's an S for sure.
Soul fruit.
Soul fruit, that's like an A.
Yeah,
I
that's.
would give it an A.
I mean, it can revive you, so yeah, you will get a second chance. Rubber fruit, one of my best fruits. I will give it an S+. I loved every second of rubber fruit. Rumble fruit. My actual dream fruit.
That's an S++.
Yup.
Really good for PvP.
Sand fruit. It's decent. I'll give it an A. Actually, yeah, an A. Shadow fruit is pretty good. Shadow is actually really good.
I've seen it in action. That's like an S.
Yeah, it's an S. Smoke fruit got revamped, so it's
valid. Smoke fruit is valid.
It's valid now.
A to S.
S tier. Soul fruit, I've used it before. It's amazing. S. Well, I'm pretty sure isn't it called Spirit now?
It's revived.
Yeah, it's called Spirit now.
Oh. Wait, no wonder we haven't seen revived. And that's why we've been asking what Spirit is.
What? Spirit is soul fruit.
I know. Bro, I got bomb fruit.
Bruh. Okay.
And
Respawn bosses. This goes into...
I love it. A tier.
Yeah, A tier.
The reason
Spike
why it's
fruit
A is because
did get
sometimes
revamped, so it's going in B tier.
Wait, what fruit?
Spike. It got
You're right.
revamped a tiny bit, so it's going in B tier. Spin fruit is decent. You can fly.
No. Give it an A. I love the helicopter fly. It's hilarious.
An A? I mean, I could give it a B. Because
Give
it's
it
not.
a B because
It's
the
not.
fly is actually pretty good.
Yeah, the fly may be good, but like it's not the best.
The abilities are also pretty good.
Spring fruit.
Spring fruit, alright, it's actually decent.
B tier. B tier.
B tier.
Stat reset. This
That reset is. Why would you ever want to do that?
genuinely, if you don't have stats that you're happy with, this could go in like an S plus, but like
It depends, but give it a B for now.
it depends. So I would give it at least a B. All right, string fruit, Spider-Man, S plus.
Yeah.
Venom fruit, literally like a snake, literally a freaking.
I have Venom right now. I have Venom.
Yeah, we both have Venom. Literally S plus plus because you would literally a 3-headed Hydra.
Yes.
We're saving it. Yes. And that is a list complete.
Wait, that was all the fruit?
Yep, that was everything. Alright.
No.
Oh.
The revive fruit is still called revive.
I know.
Spirit
Is soul fruit.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. We're ending this here. 12 minutes down. Let's